hindi pa namin alam but it's not in our control right now. Siguro for until tomorrow, we're number 1, but we're waiting for Friday's game. What happened with the game of Ginebra and San Miguel. But I'm very happy. Kung nasan man kami ngayon, I'm very happy. We're not thinking about kung sinong katapat namin or twice to beat kami or number 3 kami or number 4 kami. Basta ang gusto lang namin is manalo on this game. And we did. So, thankful kami, lalo-lalo na sa taas dahil binigyan kami ng lakas.
Coach, your thoughts on Justin Milton?
Yeah, he plays big. Justin never give up. Yung mga 3 points niya, siguro yun yung talagang nagbigay sa amin ng buhay. Lalo-lalo na yung last 3 niya. Especially even Paul, Mark, Gio, lahat naman sila naglaro talaga ng maayos. So, especially Ricardo. So, yun lang. Ang maganda lang yung karakter na buo.